Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's been a while, and an update on the Bluemuda journey. So I was out at Hawaii for a little bit, so in that time we had a lot of cold weather blow through, and the KBG has really held through during the winter here in Dallas, Texas. So I wasn't too afraid of the KBG survival during this time, and I'm more concerned about as we go into the summer where the temperatures will rise and the KBG will probably need daily watering, and we're in a hybrid situation with work, so I might not be here all the time. So with that, let's take a look at the KBG. As you can see, it's held color really well. What I've done so far has been apply a PGF balance, I believe is what it is, to it. And if not, it's the complete. I'll double check and drop it here in the video. And then in addition to that, I think about 3 weeks later, so the application of the PGF was done as soon as I came back, maybe even prior to the Hawaii trip. And since then, I have applied Green Shocker. That was instant. And by instant, I mean in relative terms to the results you see from Fertilizer. We went from application to about 3 days, and it was very noticeable, the green up. And even today, this is popping. That's with one application of Green Shocker. Highly recommend it, especially coming out of the winter, going into the warmer season. I haven't really done this program. We're just experimenting right now. But so far, just kind of preloading the soil with some nutrients has done really well, especially for the KBG. I have seen some green up from the Bermuda. Just a few leaves here and there from some of the runners that I've seen, mostly from pulling up winter grass. There is a lot of winter grass in here. I thought I pulled essentially all of it during last season, but of course there's always seed in the ground, and none of this has really received pre-emergent other than the single dose of mesotrione I did when I seeded initially. This actually, I might have skipped it. No, I did put it. So that is in there, and we'll probably do that here and kind of see. You saw what we had. So in addition to that, we're gonna try and overseed at a very low rate of additional KBG mix, and with that, we'll throw down some of the PGF fertilizer, and we'll just kind of see how that goes. So we'll probably see that KBG come up relatively quick. I think that our soil temps are primed for it, and yeah, so far so good. Very satisfied with this Bluemuda journey, and we'll see how the summer does, because I think that's when our most challenges will be faced. All right, so let's get into it. We're about to overseed the Bluemuda with the Ryan Knorr Turfgrass Kentucky Bluegrass Blend. We're going to go at a low rate since we already have some Kentucky Bluegrass established, and most of it is did really well. So there's no need for us to go at a higher rate. This will probably be less than 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet, and I'm pretty confident that our forecast is well in the good degrees for germination. We'll just got to keep it going through summer. Alright, we're actually putting down PGF complete, and while Doc probably recommends not to do that at this stage, since we do have Kentucky Bluegrass, it is a half a season established. I think it's okay if we have that slow release in here, especially since we've already hit this with Green Shocker, so I'm not too concerned. And well, that's just how it goes on the everyday lawn. that just about does it here. So what we did, we cut this down to 0.6 inches. I'll try to maintain that, but we'll see as this new grass comes in, as the Bermuda comes in, and as the KBG gets used to it. It was previously cut at, the height of cut was 1.5 inches. So at 0.6, we did just go right into it. So we'll see. KBG seems to be holding green, especially with a lot of that going into the crown. So, you know, it is what it is, and that's just how it goes on the everyday lawn, but we'll keep you updated on the progress. All right, peace.